Ever wonder who calls the shots in a decentralized world? Thinking face, it's not a CEO or a board of directors, but a community. This is the core principle of a decentralized autonomous organization, or DAO, and it's exactly how Newton Protocol is governed. So, how does it all work? Let's break down Newton Protocol's governance into three key areas: the Newt token, the DAO structure, and the progressive decentralization roadmap. The Newt token and voting ballot box with ballot. At the heart of the governance system is the Newt token. Think of it as your digital passport and voting ballot. Holders of the Newt token have the power to influence the protocol's future. The rule is simple: the more Newt you hold, the more voting power you have. This system is designed to incentivize active participation and ensure that those with the most vested interest in the protocol's success have a greater say. The DAO structure globe with meridians. Newton Protocol operates as a decentralized autonomous organization. This means decisions aren't made by a central authority, but through a transparent, community-driven process. Any Newt token holder can propose a change, from adjusting fee structures to implementing new features. These proposals are then voted on by the community. The results are automatically executed by smart contracts, ensuring the process is trustless and tamper-proof. This structure allows the community to collectively manage the protocol's treasury and strategic direction. The Progressive Decentralization Roadmap World Map. Governance in Newton Protocol isn't just a set of rules, it's a journey. The protocol follows a progressive decentralization roadmap. Initially, the project was steered by the Magic Newton Foundation. However, the plan is to gradually transition full control to the community, empowering token holders to make all key decisions. This phased approach ensures the protocol's long-term sustainability and aligns the interests of the community with the success of the platform. In summary, governance in Newton Protocol is a dynamic, community-centric model powered by the Newt token. It's about empowering the people who use the protocol to shape its future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.